Nintendo Switch with the 2 controllers. The Animal Crossing Limited Edition. As you can see, it has my account. This is my account. Oh, sorry, that's my friend, Tony. This is my account. This is my other account. And this is my Nintendo case. The Animal Crossing one. Inside you can hold games. You can hold 4 games. I'm sorry if you guys don't like that. It's just... Okay. Moving on.
Put it inside.
I can put it inside. Let me just turn it off so it doesn't die. Okay, that rhymes. And this you can take it on trips. As you can see, if you don't know what this is the Animal Crossing with the small leaf.
The Nintendo Switch cost around $300.
The Nintendo Switch cost around $300. And as you can see, these are the characters.
This case is so separate.
The case is so separately.
$13.
Around $13. The zipper's golden. And yeah. Over here you can see. How do you like it? Comment down below.